Oh no, they're out of the creek. You gotta trust me, there were cows in the creek. They're not in the creek anymore. but there were cows in the creek. Oh wait, there's a cow in the creek. Look, he's crossing the road. Look at him go. He made it. Holy shit. That was so epic. He's in the road again. Where's... Why is he just standing there? Get out of the road! He's not getting out of the road. What's he gonna do? Oh, he's going around. Why are you in the road? Oh. I stole him. Where'd he go? Did he fly out the window? Wait, what the hell? Oh, there he is. I got a new chicken. Yeah. I'm on an Amazon shift. I have 25 stops left, but I got a chicken. Normally you'd think like, oh, I don't know if a chicken could last another 3 hours on an Amazon shift, but look, she's vibing, unbothered, in her lane, moisturized. This is her destiny. This is why the chicken crossed the road. Don't go anywhere. I gotta go deliver the package. I don't think she's going anywhere. Jeff. Hey. Jeff. Hey. Jeff, look at me. Hi, Jeff. Hi. What? 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 Okay, well, she spilled the water all over the car, but yummy. Water everywhere. I couldn't get her to drink it until she stepped in it, and then she's like, oh, it's water, and then the whole cup flipped. Yesterday was Mother's Day, so I'm at my parents' house now, and she didn't poop the whole time in the car, but she just pooped on their porch. I've been documenting the story of Jeff.
Its name is Jeff?
Yeah, Jeff Bezos.
What? Why?
Because I was on an Amazon shift. Yeah. Well, she looks much better now.
She hasn't moved.
Yeah, she closed her eyes again. So she moves kind of weird. Like, she just kind of clumps around. She, like, bumps into stuff sometimes. Like, the comets, they're, like, super responsive. she's just... What's she doing? The white silkie's completely drenched in water. I had built, I mean it's convenient, I had built multiple sections of the run, specifically so I could introduce chickens to each other. That's how I got the silkies to be chill with the comets. Can you shut up? Or the comets to be chill with the silkies, I should say. The black one is, Tyrone is inside. So because she's so timid, I'm scared she's gonna get bullied. Oh, she pooped. Hell yeah.
Oh. How small of a thing can they perch on?
I just watched her fly up there. What the hell? That's so high. None of the other chickens have ever done that. It's so weird that I was out here when she did it too. I'm cleaning the car. She just like wall hacked. This is such a weird bird. Like she won't move for 2 days and then she just jumps on the roof. I mean, it's most of this is hawknet. She just found the one spot with no hawknet. Is this like a petting zoo for bunnies? The bunnies just watch the birds. Oh yeah, that bunny lives in my yard but has a broken leg. L. Anyway. She shid on my cover. I'm gonna let one comet through and see how they interact. You're the lucky winner, woohoo! They're so frustrated that she gets the food. Oh. I mean, they're just ignoring each other. I mean, granted, they've been able to see each other for like 5 days, so... Okay, let's let another one out. Where'd Tyrone go? Oh, there she is. Whatever, let's do 3. Okay, so... Oh, she came and stood on me. So I think it was the darkest that attacked her, which is the top of the pecking order out of all 5 of these. Now Jeff is going over to them voluntarily. I guess we can let the silkies out. I mean, the silkies definitely... That would be funny if the silkies bullied her. My only fear was that she bullies the silkies and the silkies get hurt, but she seems super docile, so we'll find out, I guess. Tyrone still can't figure... Tyrone doesn't realize the door's open. Okay. This is such a weird assortment of chickens. Oh, the bunny's back. With his broken leg. Now, the nice thing is Jeff can jump so high. Like, she can jump higher than any of the other chickens. So I think if she felt uncomfortable, she could just jump somewhere that the other chickens can't. Getting the comets and the silkies to get along took literal months. Like, if they were in a vicinity like this, the silkies would actually be getting murdered. Like, I actually thought the silkies were gonna die. Because, see, they still boop them. But before, like, if I had left them alone, I think they genuinely would have been killed. Okay, well now they're kind of all bullying her together. The part that's hard is that it's 3v1. I think it would be different if there were more Jeffs. Jeff. Oh. Okay, I switched their positions, so now these guys are on this side, Jeff is on this side. It's getting dark now. The other chickens are still outside. She seems way more comfortable indoors. I just came out to check on Jeff. She's just chilling with a rat snake. It's so random. they like didn't even acknowledge each other. Wow, this is such a healthy rat snake. Oh, well, it has a little... Oh, actually, it's kind of beaten up. Hey, Jeff. I keep having problems with Jeff. I've never had with other chickens before. She's stuck in the net now. What is wrong with Jeff? I'm like a family vlogger. My child is suffocating, but I have to set up my camera first to get a vlog of it. So she was able to jump out of the coop, which has never been done before. She found a snake and was just chilling with it. She got stuck in the net. She somehow got in the coop while it was closed. She's so weird. And she's like super docile. She also just kind of comes over and just like, she likes to be underneath me. Meanwhile, all these chickens are like, to me, these are normal chickens. I mean, like, look, they're a little bit aggressive, too. She's just trying to eat everything that's on me. That's Jeff's egg. She laid it in the corner over there. Though, interestingly, it was also hard to get the silkies to eat anything green. The same way it was hard to get them to actually literally touch grass because they were so scared of grass. So yeah, now the silkies eat green stuff after months of practice or whatever. But Jeff actually, I think, eats green stuff fine. Let's give her a carrot. And she's still separated right now. You want carrot? Jeff, eat the carrot. Jeff, eat the carrot. Jeff. Jeff, eat the carrot. Prove my point. Eat the carrot. Look at this. I've tried to reinforce the hog netting. How did she fit through this? I guess I'll like hook some wood higher up for her to perch on. I don't know why. I mean, because these chickens don't perch at all outside. They perch in the coop at night, but during the day they're just moving around. She's drinking water, she's eating pellets, and she's perching really high up. It's day whatever of Jeff. I don't know how long she's been here. I've fixed all of this. I've repaired all of this, the hawk net, and she still gets outside of it every single time. Why is she screaming? Oh, are they talking to each other? I don't know how to secure Jeff. I genuinely have no idea how to get her to stay in here because she can't get back down. This is a pretty majestic shot. We have secured Jeff. Well, acquired Jeff, not secured yet. And just like that, Jeff is integrated with the other fellows. She's got her tail up now. She's laying eggs. She still runs into walls sometimes. She's chirping. The other chickens aren't attacking her. Just like that, we're back. She's still so weird. What is she doing? Why is she just standing at the wall like that? But yeah, just like that, the chickens on the road are in fact free. You can grab them if you like, and you can integrate them with your other chickens. So I now have 3 breeds. Jeff's the fence sitter of the 2 breeds. She doesn't really seem to care for either one. She's a little antisocial, I guess. But hey, better than them fighting. So welcome to the family, Jeff. Update, I came back out. Jeff got stuck, I think. I don't know if she can get out from where she is. I've never had them get stuck there before. How do I reach her? I mean, maybe she can jump out. I'll just leave her and come back later. I think the Silkies are adopting Jeff. Look, they're chilling, they're grooming together. Hanging out. Jeff's tail is down right now. I don't know if she hasn't laid an egg yet or if she's upset by it. Well, she is completely drenched in water, so maybe that's why she's upset. They might be coming groups of 3 and 3. I used to have perches for all the chickens, but I mean the Silkies can only jump like 6 inches and the Comets just never used perches, but I have some extra wood, so I'll throw a few up. Honestly, I don't think the other chickens can reach her from here either. Okay, I'm not kidding. I need to set up a camera that's just like here at all times. So one of the comets just kind of like booped Jeff, kind of attacked her, but not an aggressive attack, and Jeff started freaking out. Another comet comes over and starts also harassing Jeff, and Tyrone ran in between them and like flapped her wings and screamed and actually got the comets to stop. I think Jeff is maybe I'm wrong. I think Tyrone actually defended Jeff, which I never would have expected Tyrone to do, because like she's small and the comets harass her too, but she's used to it and she knows how to handle it. I think she did I really just see that? Is Jeff, for context, Jeff is a woman. Jeff is not a male chicken. I was telling my sister about Jeff and she was like, wait, Jeff is a girl? Yeah, Jeff is not a rooster or anything. They're all hens, and yet I think she just still defended Jeff. It's been an additional 2 weeks, and Jeff's chilling. Jeff is just fully integrated. It's like she's always been here, so mission success, I guess. Yeah, she's still a weird chicken. She does a lot of weird stuff. They have officially accepted her as, all right, I guess we're stuck with her now. Oh yeah, there's Pop-Tarts in the box too.
I don't like Pop-Tarts. Do you like Pop-Tarts?
No, that's why they're in there.
No.
Hey Google, connect to Bluetooth.
This device is already connected to Gunner Top. You can ask me to disconnect it.
What the fuck? Can he fucking fly? Why is he like teleporting? Look, there's just a... Is it a coyote? Wait, what kind of animal is that? I thought it was a dog. I don't think it was a dog.